This is a video to show you how to use the Coda for Figma plugin. Coda is a new kind of doc that you can use to create docs, spreadsheets, and small apps. The Coda for Figma plugin allows you to pull in data from your Coda doc straight into your design. So once you've installed the plugin, you'll see something that looks like this. And this title here is actually the name of the doc, example data doc, which is just the default doc that's been set. But if you want to create your own doc with your own tables, with your own data in it, then just paste the doc URL there. If not, just load the demo data set to get started. So to begin with, you have to start by filling individual layers. So we'll click on an individual layer here, in this case the shape, and then we'll get our UI here. So this will allow you to fill each layer with data from a table. So in this case, these tabs here are all the tables that we have in the doc. We have cities, music, logos, restaurants, etc. And those all correspond to tables that you see here. And these are just tables we've created to help you get started with your designs. Today we'll be using the restaurants table. So let's say you want to create a restaurant screen. So you begin by filling this layer with something from the table. So let's say a photo. Let's say you want to do the name, the address of the restaurant, the rating. Let's say we want to do a group of people here. We want each of these to be people. And down here we also want to add more restaurants. Okay. Now you can see that this text layer is extending past one line, and let's say you actually just wanted to keep it to one line. So what you can do is you can append a curly bracket with 1 to that layer, and then next time you update it, it'll make sure that it stays one layer or one line. We'll do the same with this layer here. Now all of these layers have been applied at random, but if you want to group relevant information and make this group all apply the data from a single row, then you'll group it. And now you get this different option here to fill multiple layers either in order or at shuffle. So we'll do shuffle, and we can see that this truncation also works. We'll also group this, also do shuffle, and we'll just copy. Let's see. We'll copy this group. Now these are not related to one another, these avatars, so we'll group each of these avatars here. Now what you can do is select the entire frame and update the entire frame at one time. You can also select multiple frames and update multiple frames. For more information on how to use the plugin, just head over to the example data doc. You'll see more instruction as well as a few more tips and tricks. Thank you.